the human eye, a marvel of nature. A complex structure that allows us to perceive the world around us in all its glory. It captures light and transforms it into the images we see, enabling us to experience the beauty of a sunset, the smile of a loved one, and the pages of a book. But have you ever stopped to consider the sheer beauty of the eye itself? Beyond its function, the eye is a work of art, a masterpiece of biological engineering. The intricate patterns of the iris, each one unique like a fingerprint, tell a story of individuality and identity. The shimmering colors that range from the deepest browns to the most vibrant blues are a testament to the diversity of human genetics. Each hue, each shade is a blend of heritage and evolution. The eye is often referred to as the window to the soul. This phrase captures the profound connection between our eyes and our emotions. Perhaps this is because of the emotions they convey. A glance can express joy, sorrow, anger, or love without a single word being spoken. Or maybe it's the sheer depth and complexity we see reflected back at us. The eye can reveal our innermost thoughts and feelings, making it a powerful tool for communication. Whatever the reason, there's no denying the captivating power of the human eye. Its ability to draw us in, to hold our attention, is unparalleled. From the clear cornea, which acts as a protective shield, to the intricate lens that focuses light onto the retina, every part of the eye is essential. The pupil, which regulates the amount of light entering the eye, adjusts constantly to ensure we see clearly in both bright and dim conditions. Every part plays a crucial role. The retina, with its millions of photoreceptor cells, converts light into electrical signals that the brain interprets as images. And then there's the iris, the colored part of the eye. This is where the true magic of eye color unfolds, influenced by genetics and the environment. The iris is a delicate structure made up of muscles and pigments that work together to control the size of the pupil. It responds to light and emotional states, changing the way we perceive the world. The iris is not just a passive element, it actively participates in our vision. The muscles within the iris contract and expand, adjusting the pupil size to optimize the amount of light that enters the eye. It's the amount of pigment, known as melanin, that determines the color of our eyes. Melanin levels can vary greatly, resulting in a wide spectrum of eye colors. And it's this variation in melanin that gives rise to the stunning diversity of eye colors we see across the globe, from the rarest shades of green to the common yet equally beautiful browns. Each eye color is a unique expression of our genetic makeup. The way our eyes interact with light can also change their appearance. Different lighting conditions can make an eye appear lighter or darker, adding to the mystique and allure of our gaze. Throughout history, the human eye has been a subject of fascination in art and literature. Artists and writers have long been captivated by its beauty and mystery, often using it as a symbol of insight and perception. In modern times, technology has allowed us to study the eye in greater detail than ever before. Eye tracking technology, for instance, helps us understand how we interact with our environment and can even provide insights into our cognitive processes. Advances in medical science have also improved our ability to diagnose and treat eye conditions, ensuring that more people can enjoy the gift of sight. The human eye, in all its complexity and beauty, is a reminder of our shared humanity. It connects us, allowing us to see and be seen, to understand and be understood. So the next time you look into someone's eyes, take a moment to appreciate the intricate beauty and profound significance of this remarkable organ. It is, after all, one of the most extraordinary features of the human body. Melanin is a pigment produced by specialized cells called melanocytes. It's responsible not only for our eye color, but also for the color of our skin and hair. The more melanin present, the darker the pigmentation. Two main genes play a crucial role in determining eye color, OCA2 and HERC2. These genes are located on chromosome 15 and work together to regulate melanin production in the iris. The OCA2 gene provides instructions for making the P protein. This protein is involved in the production and transport of melanin. Variations in the OCA2 gene can affect the amount of P protein produced, which in turn influences the amount of melanin in the iris. The HERC2 gene contains a specific region that acts as a switch. This switch turns the OCA2 gene on or off. Variations in this switch region can affect how effectively the OCA2 gene is activated, ultimately impacting melanin production. The interplay between these two genes, along with other contributing genes, creates the incredible diversity of human eye colors. From the rich browns to the captivating blues, every eye color tells a unique story. A story written in our DNA, passed down through generations. For centuries, the origins of human eye color remained a mystery. People have always been fascinated by the variety of eye colors, from the deep, rich browns to the striking blues and greens. But where did these differences come from? Why do some of us have brown eyes while others have blue, green, or hazel? This question has intrigued scientists and lay people alike for generations. The answer, it turns out, lies in our evolutionary past. Our journey to understanding eye color takes us back thousands of years to a time when early humans roamed the earth. Originally, all humans had brown eyes. This was the default setting, a trait shared by our ancestors. This was determined by high levels of melanin in the iris, the pigment responsible for the dark color. Melanin not only gives color to our eyes, but also protects them from the sun's harmful rays. But around 10,000 years ago, a fascinating mutation occurred in the OCA2 gene. This gene plays a crucial role in the production of melanin. This mutation arose in a single individual somewhere in the region around the Black Sea. It was a small change, but it had a significant impact on the production of melanin. This mutation didn't completely switch off melanin production. Instead, it acted like a dimmer switch, reducing the amount of melanin produced in the iris. With less melanin, the eyes appeared lighter. This reduction in melanin resulted in lighter eye colors, with blue being the most common manifestation. Over time, this mutation spread through populations. The spread of this mutation led to a variety of eye colors, but blue eyes became particularly common. This was especially true in Europe, where the mutation spread rapidly. This mutation spread rapidly throughout Europe. It is believed that the unique appearance of blue eyes may have played a role in their proliferation. Today, blue eyes are most prevalent in people of European descent. In some regions, up to 80% of the population has blue eyes. The reasons for this rapid spread are still debated. Scientists have proposed several theories to explain why blue eyes became so common. One theory suggests that blue eyes were considered more attractive, giving individuals with this trait a reproductive advantage. In other words, people with blue eyes may have been more likely to find mates and pass on their genes. Another theory proposes that the mutation provided a survival advantage in regions with less sunlight. Lighter eyes are more sensitive to light, which could have been beneficial in the dimmer conditions of northern latitudes. In these regions, having lighter eyes might have helped people see better in low-light conditions, giving them an edge in survival. This advantage could have contributed to the spread of the blue eye mutation. Today, we continue to study the genetics of eye color to understand more about our evolutionary history. Each eye color tells a story of adaptation, survival, and the intricate dance of genes over millennia. The diversity of eye color we see today is a testament to the complexity and beauty of human evolution. From the deep browns to the bright blues, each eye is a window into our past. While blue eyes are captivating in their clarity, the spectrum of human eye color extends far beyond this single hue. Each eye color tells a unique story, reflecting the intricate interplay of genetics, light, and pigment. Green, hazel, gray, and amber eyes add further depth and intrigue to the human gaze. These colors are not just variations, but are windows into the complex biology of our eyes. Green eyes, like blue eyes, result from lower levels of melanin in the iris. This lower melanin allows more light to scatter, giving the eyes their vibrant appearance. However, green eyes have a slightly higher concentration of melanin compared to blue eyes. This subtle difference in melanin levels is enough to shift the eye color from blue to green. Additionally, the presence of a yellow pigment called lipochrome contributes to their distinctive greenish hue. This pigment, combined with the blue scattering of light, creates the unique green color. Hazel eyes are a captivating blend of brown and green. This combination results in a mesmerizing mix that can appear to change color in different lighting. They result from a moderate amount of melanin in the iris, which is more than in green eyes but less than in brown eyes. Combined with the scattering of light by the Rayleigh effect, this melanin level creates the dynamic and variable appearance of hazel eyes. This scattering effect, similar to what makes the sky appear blue, creates the illusion of multiple colors within the iris. Depending on the light, hazel eyes can appear more green, brown, or even gold. Gray eyes, like blue eyes, have low levels of melanin. This low melanin allows light to scatter in a way that gives gray eyes their unique appearance. However, they often appear to change color depending on the surrounding light conditions. This chameleon-like quality makes gray eyes particularly fascinating. This is due to the scattering of light by collagen fibers in the stroma, the layer of the iris that sits beneath the pigmented epithelium. The stroma's unique structure and the way it interacts with light contribute to the shifting shades of gray eyes. Amber eyes, the rarest of all eye colors, possess a golden or coppery hue. This rare coloration is often compared to the eyes of certain animals like wolves. They are characterized by the presence of a pigment called lipochrome, which gives them their warm golden tones. This pigment is also found in green eyes, but in amber eyes it is more concentrated. However, in amber eyes, the concentration of lipochrome is higher, resulting in the distinctive amber coloration. This higher concentration of lipochrome sets amber eyes apart from other eye colors. The interplay of light and pigment in amber eyes creates a captivating and rare visual effect, making them one of the most intriguing eye colors in the world. Each eye color, from green to amber, tells a story of genetic diversity and the beauty of human variation.